Ain't Gone Yet. It's choreographed by Maggie Gallagher. It is a 16 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Ain't Gone Yet. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do toe heel stomps with the right and the left. So you're going to take your right toe, touch it in next to your left slightly, turning your right knee in. You're going to place your left heel forward and you're going to stomp your right foot slightly forward. We're now going to repeat with the left. You're going to take your left toe, touch it next to your right with your knee pointed slightly in. Place your left heel forward and then stomp your left foot slightly forward. We're now going to do a big step to the right, dragging that left foot into our right and stepping our left next to our right, taking weight on that left foot. You're now going to stomp in place, right, left, right. Let's try that with some counts. Toe heel stomp. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right foot, and we're going to do a quarter sailor step over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping back with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, and then you're going to place your left heel forward into the diagonal. You're now going to do a syncopated weave to the left. We're going to quickly step our left next to our right, cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the side, cross your right over your left, and then step your left foot to the left side and touch your right next to your left. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. We're rocking our left foot to the left side. You're facing 12 o'clock. Rock 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weights on your left foot. You're starting with your toe heel stomp. Toe heel stomp, toe heel stomp, side together stomp, right, left, rock, recover, quarter sailor with a heel, step, cross, side behind, side, cross, side, touch. Let's try it with some counts. Toe heel stomp. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, the last wall is going to be wall 15. You will end the back wall coming to the side for your weave. So you would have just done your sailor quarter turn. You're going to do most of your weave up to count 15, and then you're going to make a quarter turn. So we would do our step, cross, side, behind, side, cross, quarter, and then stomp your right foot next to your left to end facing 12 o'clock. So that quarter turn is going to come over your left shoulder to bring you to 12 o'clock to end the dance. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your toe heel stomp. Toe heel stomp, toe heel stomp. Big step together stomp, right, side or rock. Recover, quarter sailor with a heel step, cross, side behind, side, cross, side, touch. Toe heel 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Toe heel stomp, big step together stomp, right, side or rock. Recover, quarter sailor with a heel step, cross, side behind, side, cross, side, touch. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. You'll dance that all the way through till wall 15, where you make that quarter turn to end the dance to face 12 o'clock. Now that you've practiced with the tutorial and you've got it down, you can go to the end of the video and practice with the rear facing demo so that you know how it all happens, so that you can rock this on a dance floor near you. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Mama said life is full of falls, gotta get right. time's ticking by, no time